Welcome back, guys. Today I'm telling you about the English, the advanced English, not that alterations. It's new and advanced English. For example, the word of new era are changing these words. For example, old days we will say yes, but nowadays the word is yeah. What? Yeah. Old days the word was no. Now its word is no. Because in the world of Europe, that in Europe, every year, after 5 years, the accent will be changed. Accent will be changed. Now, no. Thanks. Cheers. Thanks is very old tradition. Everyone say thanks. Now the word is cheers. Cheers. The word is sorry. That is sorry. Everything is sorry. Sorry. But now these words change to my bad. What? My bad. What is that word? Want to. I want to do. I want to have. I want to go. That's example. I want to go. It's very simple. If you want to say I want to go to Lahore, you have to say I want to go to Lahore. Okay? What is that word? Going to. Okay? Going to. But it's not gonna. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna give you hard. What? Gonna. I'm gonna give you hard. Will be. This word is that. For example, will be. Will be is now changing with gonna. Okay? I will be. Go there. I will be there. Still uses I wanna go there. I'm gonna tell you about it. Okay? These are the words you have to use in your daily use. Now you can use these words for exchange of that words. Okay? Yeah. No. Cheers. Mother. Wanna and gonna. Okay? Understand? Thank you so much. Okay, students. ये जो words हैं ये एडवांस इंग्लिश में बोले जाते हैं. अब आज की जो नई एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी में एडवांस लैंग्वेज में, क्योंकि यूरोप में हर साल जो है ना वो चेंज होता है, एक्सेंट एक ही नहीं रहता, तो उनके लिए एडवांस ये लफ्ज़ हैं. आपने इन वर्ड्स को खुद यूज़ करना है, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ करना है. और ठीक है, आज अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो आप इसको लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ दोस्तों को शेयर भी करें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर.